Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm ArtistAdyasha and today we'll be learning how to dance to the Bollywood song DHAGALA LAGLI. But before we get into the video, like, share and subscribe and let's get on to the video.
Due to copyright issues, we have replaced the original song with a remix song, so the steps will be slightly mismatched. Let's learn the steps.
Step 1.
Come running with pallu in the air. Shake your hips towards the left. Do this 2 times.
Step 2.
Turn to your right. Spread out both hands. Put your right foot forward. Turn to your left. Spread out both hands. Put your left foot forward. Do it 3 times.
Step 3.
Right hand in the air, left hand on the hip. Jump on your right foot twice. Do the same on your left hand up. Turn, keeping your hands on the side and pushing your hips to the right. Do it 4 times.
Step 4.
Lean forward, sway your hands 4 times. Lean back up, sway your hands 3 times. Kick.
Step 5.
On ear, right hand up. Take a turn. Stretch your left hand, right hand near ear. Shake. Shift the foot left to right. Jump 2 times towards the left. Jump 2 times towards the right.
Step 6.
Hold hands on sides of your head. Jump towards left side, kicking away your left foot. Come back, pushing your hip out, hands pushing towards the ground. Do it 2 times.
Step 7.
Lean slightly on left. Roll your hands. Peacock pose 2 times. Repeat the same on your right side.
Step 8.
Swing your hands and lift your foot 3 times. Then jump to the left. Swing your hand, lift your foot 3 times. Then jump to the right. Repeat 2 times.
Step 9.
Jump back, moving your right foot and right hand backward. Again, jump back, moving your left foot and left hand backward. Come forward with shaking your body and hands on hips. Take 3 steps towards the left while kicking your foot out. Repeat the steps on the other side.
Step 10.
Turn left and point your elbow out. turn back and point your elbow out. Then turn and shake your hips 3 times. Repeat the steps again.
Step 11.
Hold hands on sides of your head. Jump towards left side, kicking away your left foot. Come back, pushing your hip out, hands pushing towards the ground. Do it 2 times.
Step 12.
Left hand on here, right hand up. Take a turn. Lean to your left. Shake your hands and bring those hands to your right while shaking. Stand straight, holding your hips.
Step 13. The last step.
Stretch your left hand, right hand near ear. Shake your hand. Shift the foot left to right. Jump 2 times towards the left. Jump 2 times towards the right. Hands touching the sides of the head. Do it 3 times. Pause. Let's dance one more time.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you danced along to the groovy song DHAGALA LAGLI. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!